how do you charge a Ryobi mower battery? Well, here's the battery that's come out of my mower. This is the charger that came with it. It's plugged in, it's got a red light on, indicating it's ready to charge, there's no battery in. So all you do is align this part that sticks out on the battery into here. It just clips in, and then you can see we started flashing down here. So we've got a solid red light and a flashing green, which means it's charging. And it's also indicated on the battery that it's charging, but it's only low at the moment. So as it charges, this will fill up until it's full. And that's how you charge the battery on your Ryobi lawnmower. Now, you don't need to use the charger that came with it. You can use a different one. So here you can see we have the different style of charger. But as long as you've got a Ryobi 1+ charger, your batteries will charge. So this one they plug in at the bottom. Just like that. Plugs into the bottom, and then it's charging again. So it doesn't matter if it's the one that came with it or a separate one. As long as they're a Ryobi 1+ 18 volt or 20 volt if you're in America charger, they'll work.